Are you tired of regular run-of-the-mill staplers?
Are you tired of the struggle of getting staples into the wall?
Have you tried everything?
Have you hurt yourself hitting the staple?
Is it too heavy for you to hold?
Do you stay up late into the night not being able to staple to your heart's content?
Well, we have a solution for you.
This is the Prodigy Staple Your Own Stapler.
You can get your own Prodigy Staple Your Own Stapler for just 3 easy payments of $29.99 plus $10 shipping and handling. But remember, this is a limited time offer only.
Hi, I'm a teacher and I love the Prodigy. It's so easy to just staple all the homework together and save it for when I actually want to grade it.
Hi, I'm an extra in a movie you're never gonna see or hear of. But all I do is staple scripts when I'm not on screen, which is a lot. The Prodigy Pro Stapler makes my job so easy and effortless.
To get your own, staple your own Prodigy Stapler, just call 1-800-PRODIGY.